Hello everybody, hello viewers. How have you been? Hopefully you are both physically and mentally okay, well and fine. This is my third video about learning speaking skill. Okay, my dear audience. If you are interested to watch that video, please come to my channel playlist and then you can watch. Okay? Our today topic is present indefinite tense. Already I have published one video about this topic. Actually, if we want to learn any kinds of language, not only English, that time we have to take a strong decision. After taking a strong decision, we have to make a plan. After making a plan, we have to start our work. Okay? If we start our work and stay with this work for a long period of time, minimum 6 months to maximum 2 years and 6 months, after this period we will get ourselves in that language in fluency. Okay, my dear audience, what is the secret tips of learning any kinds of language? The main secret tips of learning any kinds of language: you have to practice per day. You have to pick your time every day and you have to practice minimum 5 minutes to 1 hour, or as you can speak, as much as you can speak. Okay, now come to our main point. Our main point is present indefinite tense. You can ask me how we can form present indefinite tense. Actually, present indefinite tense form subject, then verb, base form, and then object or agreement or other words. Okay, my dear audience, what is the base form of verb? Base form of verbs, actually we know that there are 5 forms of any verb. Like if we put or if we pick verb go, then we can express them in 5 forms like this way. Okay, go, went, gone, going, and goes. Goes is the form of verb with yes form or s form. Okay, for making present indefinite tense, the base form of verb or s or yes connected verb, where we set this verb s or yes connected verb. Actually we set present indefinite tense when we set the subject he, she, it, or name. These are the third person of singular number, and after this third person of singular number we have to put s or yes form of any verb. Okay, in present indefinite tense. Like this way we can practice. Please, like this way you can look this. Share me again. I go to school. He goes to school. I read this book. He reads this book. Okay, I play football. He plays football. Karim plays football. Jakir plays football. Okay, we can express our daily activities in that language or in the present indefinite tense. Okay, suppose we get up in the morning at 7 o'clock or at 6 o'clock. We get up in the morning. We get up. This is we, subject, get up, present form of verb. We get up early in the morning. This is agreement. We get up early in the morning, brush my teeth, take my breakfast, go to my school, come back from my school, take dinner, take lunch, and then take rest. All these sentences are represents present indefinite tense. Okay, by connecting word we can connect all of these sentences and we can make our conversation by this present indefinite tense. My dear audience, you can join these sentences like this way: get up early in the morning, then brush my teeth, After that, I get ready and then go to my school. After ending this class, I come back my home and wash my face and hand and take my lunch. Okay? Like this way, you can express your daily activities in the present indefinite tense. My dear audience, if you do not get my point, what I have said already, please watch this video again and you will get my point. I think so. I will come about this topic again. No more today, more when we come again. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, be smile. Thank you very much.